Hello everyone. Today I am going to transform some thrift and Goodwill finds. It will be a simple change with paint and I will take these pieces to the next level. And then I will share how I styled them. Now everything on this table will get painted except for the centerpiece. I just like candles and I'm enjoying it, so I didn't want to move it. Now some of these items I will spray paint and some I will hand paint. Now the hand painted items I will be able to share with you in this video, but the spray painted items I'm not sure if I will share those with you because I don't know where I will be spray painting. I'm having work done in my garage and I'm not sure if I'll be outside or not. So let's go ahead and get started. So I was inspired to paint these vases by a few vases that I saw from Crate and Barrel. So I started out by painting them in a solid cream color. And so now I'm doing a dry brushing with different shades of gray and tan. Now you can put as little or as much paint on as you desire. And if you put on too much paint, you can always take it off with a damp cloth. And the key to this process is blending. So I am brushing in a vertical motion, but every now and then I will brush in a horizontal motion to soften the vertical lines. Okay, so these two vases I got from Goodwill, and they are pretty as they are, but I wanted to tweak them just a little bit to go with my decor. And as you can see, I believe they came from Target. I think that's a Target tag. So I paid $2.49 for the small one and $2.99 for the large one. Now I will be using a silver lining colored chalk paint as a primer. And I'm using the primer so that the metallic paint will stick to the shiny surface. And the paint color here is champagne gold, and it's a very pretty soft gold. And so here I'm applying the primer or the chalk paint that I'm using as a primer, and then I will apply the gold right on top. Now here I'm just freehanding with the paint job, but if you like something a little bit more neater with the lines, you can use painter's tape. And I think they turned out really nice. Okay, so next I have two shell bowls, and I got these bowls from Goodwill, and they were a clear plastic before that paint job. Now I was inspired by a trip to Restoration Hardware a little while ago, and I like the way they use large accessories in just a simple form. Now, I'm not trying to copy Restoration Hardware. I'm only inspired by the way they use their decor. And that means take something that you like and make it your own. This piece was also inspired by Restoration Hardware. And then it was my idea to use the ornament balls. Now these candle sconces, you may recognize these if you have seen some of my home tours. This is my entrance hall. And all I did for those was to spray paint them in a silver. And I used a I used Rust-Oleum shiny bright silver. And this piece I just painted silver. So guys, I hope you enjoyed seeing some of these items that I made over. And I hope you enjoyed the video. And thanks again for watching. And I hope to see you back next week.